So today we're going to clean headlights with toothpaste. Been told that you can use toothpaste to clean the lens, so we'll see if that works. You'd be best off using toothpaste that has microcrystals, as this works best, apparently. So if you just smear it on and just rub it in a circular motion, you may have to do this a few times. You may have to add then make sure you rub off the excess toothpaste, as it may leave a residue. Apply more if you need to. You may have to do this a few times. Until you get the better results. Just keep applying the toothpaste. It is starting to lift up some of the dirt. When ready, rinse off with water. And you may have to do this a few times just to get the residue off. And then if you find that the residue keeps coming back after it dries, just use some soap and then just wipe the surface. failing that, you can just take to a jet wash or your local car wash and then do it that way. But I'm using just a bottle of water. So do this a few times. Just to bring up the lens back to standard. And when finished, just compare it to the other lens. And you can see a slight difference that it's worked. It might not work all the time, but you know, I've been told anyway, you can just use toothpaste and then use a power tool to get the best results, but I'm just doing it by hand. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.